lecture is related to gases law. This lecture is based on the introduction of all laws. The detailed video will be uploaded soon. So basically gases laws are based on 3 laws of gas, and in 3 laws there are also 4 factors. These 3 laws are Boyle's law, Charles' law and Avogadro law. Now here the factors that I told you, there are 4 factors. First factor is volume, second is temperature, third is pressure and fourth is number of moles. So here there would be a relationship between the volume, temperature, pressure and number of moles. Apart from that, the values of the pressure, volume and temperature that we'll use would be STP and the standard form. As you all know, at the STP, the pressure is 1 atm, the volume is 22.4 dmq. Number of moles will be taken as 1 mole to measure approximately the temperature or pressure. The temperature here would be used 273 Kelvin, which is 0 degree centigrade and 32 degree Fahrenheit. Statements of the Boyle's law, Charles' law and Avogadro law. In the first condition, there are 2 factors that are given, volume and the pressure. Apart from that, the temperature and number of moles are constant. How? As I given you the square. Here the volume, temperature, pressure and then number of moles. Now here 2 factors are being used, volume and the pressure. So these 2 factors will stay constant. If we'll use, in the Charles law as stated, if we'll use the relationship of volume and temperature, so here the pressure and number of moles will stay constant. As in the Avogadro law, if we'll discuss the relationship between the volume and the number of moles, so here the temperature and pressure will stay constant. As it is stated in the statement that in Boyle's law, the volume is inversely proportional to the pressure. As you all know, volume is the total space, and if we apply the pressure, just suppose that this is source of the pressure, source of the external pressure, and this is the whole volume. If we apply pressure, so the volume will definitely decrease. And if the volume will increase, so definitely the pressure would be decreased. In the Charles law, when the volume is increased, the temperature also increases. Because for increasing the volume, we have to heat it. We have to give an external force to it. So as the temperature of the volume increases, the volume also increases. If the number of mole increases, the volume also increases. Just suppose that here are 5 moles in this container and the volume here is 180 m. But what if we increase the number of moles? Just suppose that we are using 10 moles. It will not adjust at the volume of the one, so we'll increase the volume. We'll increase the container's size. So in that way it is stated that when the volume will increase, the number of moles will be increased. So these were the Boyle's law, Charles' law and Avogadro law. Let's take in relationship between it. As in the Boyle's law, it is stated when the volume will increase, the pressure will decrease. But in the Charles law, what was stated? As the temperature increases, the volume also increases. In the Avogadro law, it is stated the number of volume increases or the number of moles increases, so it is directly proportional to the volume. So as the number of mole increases, the volume also increases. These were the laws that will be stated in the gas law, and the detailed video will be uploaded soon. Thank you.